Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create TikTok account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your TikTok application in your mobile phone, and after you have your TikTok application opened, you can go to this profile menu. Just tap on the profile and you can click on these three lines on the top right, and you can sign up right here. Just click on the sign up to create new account on TikTok, and here you will be able to use phone or email, continue with Facebook or continue with Google. And when you click this little arrow, you will have more options. You can continue with line or your KKO talk as well. And I'm just going to continue with my Google. I'm going to create TikTok account with my Google account, and I'm going to use this Google account to create a TikTok account. Here we have to set up our birthday, and I'm just going to pick random birthday, guys. Okay, and you can click on next and just wait for a moment. All right, and we have to create nickname. I'm just going to add this nickname and then click on confirm. All right, and now the TikTok account has been created. You can go back to your profile to check it. And if you want to log in your TikTok, you don't need to enter password. You just need to use your Google account to log in to your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create TikTok account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.